Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Huawei MatePad Pro and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. To do that, find your calendar application, which is right there. In it we allow it, and there we must tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 29th of April. There this plus icon, and first option we can add title of our event. Now we can add location of it if we need it. There we can set when event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day by switch on. Repeat of that, maybe every month, every year, or custom what you need. Notification reminder of that, maybe 2 days before at 9, and we can add more than one. There we can set it with important, and we see it in our calendar. There you can add this event to our group on Gmail. We can add attachment and description to that. After we add all we need, we press this icon to save it, and we have it in our calendar right now. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!